Construction of China's future Type 004 aircraft carrier continues to advance at Dalian Shipbuilding Industry Company, with the latest open-source imagery indicating that the vessel's bow section has now been installed. The development provides another indication that work on the new carrier is progressing at a rapid pace. The installation of the bow module represents another step toward assembling the carrier's overall structure. In July, reports indicated that ZIC had already received several large prefabricated sections intended for the new warship. Open-source analysts, including Ruprecht Dano, subsequently identified additional major components at the shipyard that were potentially associated with the vessel's future flight deck. The construction of the Type 004 has attracted considerable attention not only because of the capabilities the carrier could eventually provide to the People's Liberation Army Navy, but also because of what its construction rate reveals about China's expanding shipbuilding capacity. The pace at which Chinese shipyards are producing increasingly sophisticated naval vessels has become an important element of Beijing's broader maritime ambitions. For the plan, a larger and more capable carrier fleet would provide additional options for sustained operations farther from China's coastline and support the country's growing naval presence beyond East Asia. While construction of the Type 004 continues at Dalian, China's newest operational carrier, the Fujian, has returned to sea. Recent imagery showed the carrier operating approximately 97 kilometers south of Yulin Naval Base, accompanied by two Type 052D destroyers. The formation was identified through satellite imagery released the previous day, providing another indication that the Fujian is entering a new phase of operational activity. The simultaneous progress of the Type 004 and the continued operational activity of the Fujian highlight the two parallel tracks of China's carrier program, expanding the future fleet while increasing the operational experience of its newest carrier.